Chatbots. You write a message to the AI and it writes back. That is the simplest way most people use AI. But behind many modern chatbots is something called an LLM, or large language model. The chatbot is the face. The LLM is the brain behind it. You can ask it to explain a topic, write an email, summarize a document, brainstorm ideas, or help you study. It reads your message, predicts what response makes sense, and gives you an answer in human language. That is why chatbots feel so useful. But here's the catch. A chatbot does not truly know things like a human. It can sound confident and still be wrong, so don't treat it like a magic truth machine. That's how people get cooked. Use it like a thinking partner. Bad prompt, help me study. Better prompt, explain this topic simply, give me examples, then quiz me. The clearer your message, the better the answer. So chatbots are the easiest door into AI. You type, it replies. And if you guide it well, it can help you write, learn, plan, and create faster. Image generation. Image AI turns words into visuals. You describe what you want, and the model creates an image, a thumbnail concept, a logo idea, a character, an icon, a poster, a product mockup, a background. You can test visual ideas fast, but beginners make one mistake. They ask for something pretty. Pretty is not enough. The image needs a job. A good visual should help the viewer understand faster. If it does not, it is just decoration wearing expensive shoes. Bad prompt? Make a thumbnail. Better prompt? Create a clean YouTube thumbnail about AI study tools with a student desk, laptop, colorful icons, simple background, and empty space for big text. Now the AI knows the topic, style, layout, and purpose. Still, image generation has flaws. Hands can look weird, faces can drift, small details can break. Text inside images can come out cursed, so use AI for the visual draft, then edit the final layout yourself. You describe. It creates, you judge, you fix. Video generation. Video AI takes the same idea one step further. Instead of one image, it creates motion. A camera push-in, a product rotating, a student opening a laptop, a short example scene. Movement can make a hook stronger. It can make a product feel real. It can make a boring explanation easier to watch. But video is harder than image. The AI has to keep the subject, background, camera, and motion consistent over time. That is where things break. Faces change, objects bend, hands mutate. The scene looks cool, but it does not match the script. Bad prompt? Make a cool video. Better prompt? Create a 5-second shot of a student opening a laptop at night, soft desk light, notes around. Slow camera push-in, no text. That gives the AI a clear scene. Use video generation for mood, motion, and examples. Use editing for timing, cuts, captions, and control. AI video is raw material, not the whole final video. Coding. Coding with AI feels powerful because you can talk to code instead of just staring at it. You can ask it to explain an error, build a small script, create a simple website, fix a bug, write a function, or explain what confusing code means. For beginners, this lowers the wall, but here is the catch. AI code can look correct and still break. It can invent functions, use the wrong file, miss your setup, or fix one bug and create a new one. So do not copy-paste like a zombie with Wi-Fi. Bad prompt, make an app. Better prompt, create a simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript task list where the user types a task, clicks add, and the task appears below. Explain where each file goes. Now the AI has a clear target. The best workflow is not build everything, ask for one part, run it. Copy the error, ask for a focused fix. Test again, you guide. It writes, you test. That is how AI helps you build faster without turning your project into spaghetti with buttons. Research and search. Research AI is not just asking a chatbot for an answer. It is using AI to find, compare, and understand information. That could mean comparing products, summarizing articles, checking sources, explaining reports, or testing a claim. This is useful because the internet is huge, loud, and full of confident nonsense wearing a serious hat. But research is dangerous if you are lazy. Search results can be outdated, websites can be biased, and AI can still sound certain while being wrong. So do not only ask for the final answer, ask for sources. Ask what is uncertain. Ask what could be wrong. Bad prompt. Is this good? Better prompt. Research the best affordable noise reduction earplugs available for delivery to Lebanon. Compare price, delivery, comfort, and noise reduction. Show sources and trade-offs. Now the AI has a mission. Searching finds information. Research decides what information deserves trust. You ask. It searches, it summarizes, you verify, and if you guide it well, AI can help you learn faster and make smarter decisions. Writing. Writing with AI is not just make me text. That is the beginner way. The better way is to use AI like a writing assistant. It can help you draft emails, captions, scripts, notes, summaries, product descriptions, or ideas when your brain is staring at a blank page like it owes money. The biggest benefit is speed. Instead of starting from zero, you start from a rough draft. But here's the catch. AI writing can sound clean and still feel empty. Smooth words do not always mean useful ideas. So your job is to give direction. Do not say, write about AI. Say, write a short beginner-friendly script about AI for students. Keep it simple, clear, and slightly energetic. Now the AI knows the audience, tone, and goal. Use it to brainstorm, rewrite, shorten, organize, or improve your message. But do the final judgment yourself. AI can help you write faster. You still make it sound like you. Voice and audio. Text is one thing. Voice is different. AI voice tools can turn a script into narration, clean audio, transcribe speech, dub videos, or help create podcast-style content. That matters because audio changes how the message feels. The same sentence can sound boring, serious, energetic, or dramatic depending on the voice. But a good voiceover is not only about the voice, it is pacing, pauses, clarity, emotion, volume. If the voice is too fast, the viewer gets tired. If it is too flat, the viewer disappears. If it is too dramatic, it sounds like a movie trailer for a calculator. So guide it properly. Instead of saying, read this, say, read this in a clear educational tone. Keep it energetic but not exaggerated. Add natural pauses after commas and sentence endings. Then listen back. Cut dead space. Fix pacing. Keep volume clean. AI can give you the voice, but you still direct the performance, automation, and workflow. This is where AI becomes more than a chatbot. Instead of answering one question, it helps build a process. A workflow is just steps. Something comes in, something happens, something comes out. For example, a form gets submitted. The answer goes into a spreadsheet. An email gets sent, a task gets created. That is automation. It saves time because you stop repeating the same boring work manually. But here is the dangerous part. The process is messy, automation does not fix it. It just makes the mess faster. Tiny nightmare machine. Very efficient, very useless. So before automating, define the steps clearly. Bad request, automate my work. Better request, when a form is submitted, save the response to a spreadsheet, send a confirmation email, and create a task for review. Now the AI has a real map. Input, action, output. Automation is powerful when the task is repetitive, clear, and easy to test. Start small. Test one step, then connect the next. Presentation and design. AI can help turn ideas into slides, layouts, diagrams, thumbnails, and visual explanations. But design is not decoration. Design is control. It tells the viewer where to look first, what matters, and how the idea connects. Bad slides make people read too much. Good slides make people understand faster. That is the whole game. AI can help with structure, titles, icons, comparisons, prompt cards, and visual flow. But if you give it a weak instruction, it may create text card soup, 10 boxes, tiny labels, random arrows, a robot in the corner questioning its career. So be specific. Do not say, make a presentation about AI. Say, create a clean 16:9 beginner explainer deck about AI. Use short text, colorful icons, simple cards, clear arrows, and progressive reveal slides. Now the AI knows the format and style. The best slides usually have one main idea, one visual focus, and only enough text to guide the eye. AI can design fast, but you must protect clarity. Data and spreadsheets. Data is where AI can become very useful, but also very dangerous, because numbers look serious, and when wrong numbers look serious, people trust them. That is how spreadsheets quietly commit crimes. AI can help clean tables, write formulas, summarize trends, find missing values, create charts, and explain what the data means. For example, you can give it sales numbers and ask it to group them by month, or ask it to find the highest cost, or turn a messy table into a clean report. But do not just say, fix this sheet. That is too vague. Say, check this spreadsheet for missing values, calculate total sales by month, and suggest one simple chart to show the trend. Now the task is clear. The AI knows what to check, what to calculate, and what output you want. Still, verify the result. Check formulas, check columns, check totals. AI can help you understand data faster, but you are the final guardrail. Use it to clean, organize, analyze, and explain, not to blindly trust every number it spits out. That's the full beginner map of AI tools. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple AI explainers, and comment what AI topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching.